Once the GST is implemented, it was stated that at 14% growth has to be assured on 15-16 revenues to the states. Coming to the current position, it will be almost 50% of the pre-15-16 revenues. Understand that. 50% increase on the at that particular time what the states were getting. The center has to give that. So states' revenues are totally protected. And do you think that in 3 years, anywhere has any state, except maybe few states like Telangana, AP, or fast-growing states, except that one, no other state was recording this much of growth. The center was able to see that, okay, look, this much money could be transferred to the states for the development. So when somebody talks about deficit, the counter question is that, okay, has ultimately money gone back to the people? Whether it is from center, from the right hand or the left hand, it ultimately goes to the people. So that is what has been happening here.
One of the problems that we were dealing with was that it is apprehended that there would be a total lapse of all input credits available for the real estate sector prior to 31st of March 2019. One of the suggestions we have made is that there should be no lapse of input tax credits already available, but a window of 5 years should be given so that in case the input tax credit can be utilized in any manner in the next 5 years, it should be carried forward. And if after 5 years there is no possibility of using the input tax credits, then the transition credit should lapse. That would be a fair offer to the government, as well as it would be a fair offer for the real estate industry.
As rates are reducing from 12 to 5, 8 to 1, what would be the implication of anti-profiteering? This would be some standard SOP to be prepared for guideline to the builders that what kind of commensurating benefit must be passed on to the consumer so that tomorrow there will not be litigation and realistic benefit of passing on benefit to the consumer is being met. These are the objectives we are looking into. We are gathering the feedback and suggestions from all members. We'll summarize those points. Will send to the Government of India for their consideration.